Got something new in the mail today from Redfield, the Counterstrike tactical rifle scope. These haven't been out very long. I think they just came out at the beginning of the year. This is a 1x30mm red dot, which also comes with an integrated laser. I'm going to unpack this thing for you, and I'll have some field work in the future. Put that video up when I get around to it. It comes with the required paperwork. Go through that before I get everything underway, but just to show the unpacking here. It's actually a nice looking little unit here. It comes with flip up covers on it, which I kind of like. Don't know how that'd be in a stressful situation. I imagine if I saw that coming, I'd already have the covers open. But packed nicely. There was a battery and some packing material there. I already put it in the scope so that I could show you what's going on here. Now this is the end that goes towards the muzzle, because this is the laser down here, which is dead center right underneath the scope itself, which unfortunately is going to pose a problem for anybody with an A2 style front sight post, because on the AR platform, the laser being where it is will end up shining on the front sight of the rifle, making it worthless. I'll either have to change to a Picatinny rail type gas block, or I'll maybe try something different, like drilling a hole through the front sight post. I don't know. That I'll have to decide later. But has some rubber buttons on here to operate the controls. This is the on and off for the dot. Press it on, press it again, it changes the dot from red to green. Press it again, changes back to red again, and then hold it down for a few seconds. That turns it off. Laser on and off. Click it to turn it on, and hold it down to turn it off again. Alright. Turn on the dot. Yep, see that there? Click it again, turns it to green. Now this camera makes the dot look a lot larger than it actually is. I don't know if yeah, it's a little better, but click it again. That switches back and forth from red to green, and then you can turn the brightness of the dot up and down with this plus and minus button. Whatnot. But it seems like a well-built item from Redfield. The box says here it's a 4 MOA, which is a little large for precise work, but it should make it easy to see. Like Jeff Quinn likes to say, and make it easy for social work. Just hold the button down, and then that turns it off. Now, I didn't go through the instructions yet to see if it has an automatic off. I doubt if that's the case, but seems like a nice piece. I'll show you where the right here, the battery compartment is right in the back. Like I said, it takes a what is that, a C123A 3-volt lithium. Screw this cap off. The caps all have O-rings in them. No apparent goofy machining. You know, I had the caps off and checked everything out. You know, everything goes right back into the threads very easily. Little indicator on there to show you which way the battery is oriented, and I'll get this thing mounted up and do another video on how it actually works very soon. Alright. Oh, and the price on this thing was $179.99. So, not it's definitely not a Trigicon or a EOTech or anything like that, but it definitely seems to be a little better than like a BSA or a Burris or anything like that. But it does cost a little more. So let's see how Redfield does, and I'll get back to you with the rest of it. Have fun.